Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve offers on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window of Picsart. After that, you'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.